Dear traders and investors, again another prediction of the future using our DeLorean proprietary software. This software calculates all time indicators far ahead into the future and the outcome never changes. We do not need price data nor do we extrapolate historic data to determine the energy, positive or negative, that is at work in the future or past. Please watch all of the video to see the predictions, as well as the coupon to order at a 50% discount to celebrate our start of using YouTube. The assumption is that energy will influence society as a whole and decisions of humans, creating a positive or negative mindset. Meanwhile, it is quite sure this is the case. Consequently, our time indicators will predict negative or positive trends according to either a decline or rise in the time indicators. Here we present you the forecasts for next week, but remember this could be any week of this year. The future is known. Dear traders and investors, we have another prediction for with regard to SPX index and Western world indices, which are all highly correlated. Watch all of video to see the prediction. This video will be relatively short, so you will see the prediction of the markets within 3 minutes. First, we take a quick look back to see how the previous forecast had worked out. We did forecast the markets to reach a bottom 24th or 25th of May, because our proprietary time indicators showed a decline. The bottom would be reached as set on the 24th-25th. Our software has already calculated the time indicator far ahead into the future and it never changes nor will be optimized later on. In the screenshot you clearly see where the time indicator reaches a top or bottom. Not all tops and bottoms are equally important, so we make the selection for you. You can look up in the previous video, the previous forecasts. Again, our forecast was spot on. It nailed not only the bottom on the 24th-25th, but also the rise thereafter. So if you take a short position in options or futures on the top of the indicator, just follow through until the bottom or when your trailing stop is hit. The same for long positions. If the trend becomes extended, you can profit all the way. Make sure to be prepared on top or bottom to take a profit and maybe reverse your long or short. What determines which top and bottom is the most important? It depends on which time patterns are at work and how favorable or negative they are. Also, it counts if these patterns are triggered by other important time events. This determines how dangerous or profitable the markets could become. Generally, the targets are not known exactly, but the trend is known. Negative, positive or neutral. You can profit enough by trading from top to bottom and bottom to top, with your trailing stop in place. Meanwhile, you have noticed that the forecast has become visible in the screenshot of the time indicators and chart of the SPX. Since the indicators are leading and do not use price date, they are known before it happens in the markets. The time indicators are clearly forecasting a downtrend. So markets should decline from the top on the 29th of May. Trend is down. 3 days in a row the indicator declines and then reverses on May 31st. The next move will be up, on 31st of May or on June 1st. Thank you for your attention and trade wisely.